Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix good and save contact changes in Android. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If you are experiencing issues with saving contact changes on your Android device, there are several troubleshooting steps you can follow to resolve the problem. Here's a comprehensive guide. First method, sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Press and hold the power button. Tap on Restart. Next method, ensure that the Contacts app has the necessary permissions to make changes. To do this, go to the Settings, Apps, Contacts, Permissions. Make sure Contacts and any other relevant permissions are enabled. Another method, low storage can cause issues with saving changes. To do this, go to the Settings, the Storage, ensure you have sufficient free space on your device. Next method, ensure your contacts are syncing correctly with your account. Go to the Settings, Accounts, Manage Accounts, choose your account, Google, etc. Sync account, and make sure Contact Sync is enabled. Next method, clearing the cache and data can resolve issues caused by corrupted data. Go to the Settings, Apps, Contacts, tap on Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache, and then clear data. Next method, ensure your device is running the latest software version. To check the latest software, go to the Settings, Software Update, then tap for Check for Updates. Next method, resetting app preferences can resolve issues caused by disabled system apps. Go to the Settings, Apps, tap on the three-dot menu, usually in the upper right corner. Tap Reset App Preferences. Lastly, if none of the above steps work, you can perform a factory reset. Take note, this will erase all data on your device, so back up your data first. Go to the Settings, General Management, Reset. Go ahead and tap Factory Data Reset. Confirm and follow the on-screen instructions. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.